Actually,
We're gonna be our wines are gonna be in Walmart USA, and Walmart USA, they have a online platform.
okay.
So there we're gonna, I imagine we could do some advertisement on that platform to buy our wine, correct?
Actually, your country is Canada and want to sell also USA, right?
Yeah, man.
Okay, okay. That's a good. No problem. It could be. Uh,
Bro, you're gonna have a lot of work just for us, seriously.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey,
Previously, I work with you, and I think you also trust me. So no problem. You know me. I think.
yeah, I know you, man.
Yeah,
That's why I pick you to do the to do the website, to do all our work. So I want you to have money, man.
yeah, yeah.
Wow.
No
And
problem.
I know you do. And I not only that, I know you're an expert. You're gonna do good quality work, and hey, it's gonna be fun, man.
Right. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Uh, মাসুদ ভাই বা রাফিক আহমেদ আপু কিছু বলার আছে? We are friend, no problem. You can talk with our friend, no problem.
Where are you from?
What's that?
Where? Now your restaurant. Where are your restaurant? Is it in Canada?
In my city.
Sorry.
My restaurant's gonna be in my city downtown.
In
Quebec City,
Canada.
right?
The city that I'm staying in right now, the restaurant, it's gonna be right directly downtown.
Okay.
Okay. Arab bhai,
Basically, what should you say? What do you sell in this restaurant? Eh, items.
items means already said about pizza, burger, and fast food, like us. All type of
No,
fast food, right,
man.
bro?
No, man. Breakfast for like breakfast brunch style for in the mornings. Everything's gonna be fresh. Lunches, it's gonna be like s- some mussels with cream sauce, pizzas. Man, I'm thinking of having a wood burning stove in the restaurant so that my pizza guys will be throwing pizza dough in the air. Freshly pizza dough, freshly homemade mozzarella cheese, man. 6 or 7 styles of pizza.
So when you open your online sale in your restaurant by a website using a website, you should have a location where you sell, not in the all Canada.
Around it will close at 10 or 11.
Okay.
But in the restaurant, I'm going to have a POS system, and it's going to tell me which items are selling, which one are not selling, and I could take it off the menu, add something else on the menu, test it, whatever. It's a POS restaurant manager. Instead of me having a manager or myself being a manager, the technology's in there, and it's going to be telling me every day what how much produce that we use, how much stock, this and that, and yeah, man.
Okay.
Dinner time is gonna be roasted. If I get this wood burning stove, I'm gonna have roasted chicken, um, pizzas again, uh, steak, mussels, for salmon dishes, chicken dishes, salads. I'm gonna have like a display unit for people that grab and go type of deal. Like they just come in and they buy their lunches because I'm in the downtown area and people walk by all the time. When I went to see it,
For online order, what should be you prefer for delivery the customer your product, your 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 own transport or via another group or company to
like
transport
as
the service?
Food Panda,
Yes, yes.
bro.
my
Uh,
pr- my produce, I got a fish market up 2 blocks down up the street from me. Fresh seafood and stuff. I got
so
a
actually,
butcher place. I got a butcher place in town, and I got a farmer that grows all the vegetables, man, all year round. So I'm good.
okay, actually, bro, your product delivery system and your total area range, how much?
I don't know yet. I haven't started. Man, I got a lot of renovations to do, bro. Holy
Like
smokes!
as your located restaurant to 10 kilometer or 20 kilometer and 30 kilometer to delivery
Hmm. I think 20 kilometers.
delivery system, or you use like as
Third party system, but using
third
third
party
party.
system, right? Third party system or uh, own system, like as Food Panda, Uber food delivery. Uh,
Both. I'm trying to think of having like one of our delivery guys that we look for, and we pay him a bit, and then he gets tips. And like the other one that you mentioned, man, Uber and all that delivery people that does all these, just all they do is that we cook it, then they come in and they go and they deliver the food. You know what I mean? That would be good on the website, offering the two types.
that means fast delivery, fast impression,
Yeah,
fast
man.
promotion, right?
Yeah.
Good. ওকে ব্রো, আর কারো কি কোনো কিছু বলার আছে? জাস্ট আমরা একটা ফ্রেন্ডলি মিট আপের জন্য ব্রোকে ডেকে
Would you have any website example like you want your site like this? Would you have any website at present?
নো 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 নো
Country, yeah. A country style with green and white, because green and white's because we're going to have green and white in our restaurant, and we're trying to keep everything the same color, green and white. Yeah, man.
actually have any uh, template like as your competitor website design.
Hey, man, I got like, hey, I just remembered, I got a picture, a
Oh,
photo of the style,
okay,
the
okay.
name, the name, the restaurant name in French, man, because in French there's a law in Quebec that saying that all businesses, the name have to be in French. So
Okay, okay. You if you deliver this type of information, then it is really helpful for us to design your website.
What's that?
If you give us the information, what type of website you want to design, any example, any competitor website, so it's really helpful for us to design like this.
Okay. I will. I will. I'm going to be discussing with my wife, and we're going to choose. And when I get back, and I'm going to tell. Yep, because we got like, remember, you got like three websites to develop, bro.
Okay, bro, no problem.
You got the restaurant, you got the wine business, and you got the mozzarella cheese and the tofu. But I don't know if that's gonna if tofu is gonna be separate, then cheese mozzarella cheese gonna be a website only, or I don't know if we add it with or wines. I have to discuss with that with with my wife today, man.
Okay, bro.